In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change time in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly change the time in Hunter Call of the Wild. Doing this is extremely important because you will find specific animals and hunts that you can only do on certain times of the day. So you will be able to change the time by following this method. All that you have to do is either get yourself a tent or go to a lodge. So go to an outpost and find a lodge or make yourself a tent. Now, when you go to any of these locations, usually marked by this little bed icon or when you have your tent, one of the options when you interact with the bed is going to be rest. So if you are in the lodge, look for this bed icon in any valid outpost, and once you choose the option to rest, you will see this menu at the left. This shelter can be used to rest and then wake up at a specific time by adjusting the alarm clock. The cost for resting increases with each use temporarily, but is eventually reset after a period of time. So the first time that you do this, it's going to be relatively cheap. But if you keep doing this over and over again without too much delay, then it is going to get exponentially more expensive. So it's important to do it once and then try to avoid doing it as best as you can. It is going to gradually increase and it caps out at 2,500 of the currency. So all that you have to do once you get here and you see the price is to adjust the time, set it to whatever you prefer, and then once you have customized this time to whatever time you want to hunt at, you will be able to rest and wake up at that specific time with the alarm. And like I said, you can repeat this, but it is going to get more expensive. I hope I was able to help you on how to change time in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.